In this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn on or turn off noise cancellation mode on your Beats Fit Pro. So first of all, we have to open the settings and go for the Bluetooth. Next, when we are connected with our Beats, just click on this information icon. And as you can see right here, we can find the noise control. So right now we have to put them to our ears or just simply cover the sensors. And right now we will be able to switch between noise cancellation, transparency mode, and then just turn off this option. There's also the second way how to use this mode. We have to go for the press and hold customization option, and here we can choose for the left and the right earbud how to switch between these modes. So we can customize for this option like that, and take a look. When you click and hold on this button right here or this one, we will switch between modes. Let me show you. When you click once, you cannot do anything, but when you click and hold it, as you can see right now, it's changing between the noise cancellation, transparency, and the turn off. So you have to basically click and hold right here to change this option. And that's how it looks with the Beats Fit Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.